जो आगे गर्ल्स खड़ी है ना, आई थिंक इन तीन की आवाज ही मुझे आ रही है, सबसे ज्यादा आ रही है, वो सब पे भारी पड़ी है। एक बार हेवल्स के लिए, स्पॉन्सरशिप के लिए, एसआरसीसी के लिए, डीओ के लिए, लॉन्चिंग के लिए जोर से होल्डिंग हो जाए। 1 2 3 गो। Finally, I realize it's a team when we have our judges over stage. I would love to meet you all. Please, would you all come forward? Vishal sir, Ruchi ma'am, Amit sir, and Gurdeep ma'am. All right, so we have a lovely marketing team of Havels out here. Can you big round of applause for our team, please? Okay, over to you, ma'am.
Hi, SRCC. Hi, what's up? Can I hear you?
No choice, भाई आयुष तेरे आसपास होगा, देखने की कोशिश कर, बाहर की तरफ जा।
Okay, once again, hi to everyone. Hi.
Hi SRCC, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I can see there are some good faces out here. You guys seems to be rocking here, and it's going to be the #1 college. It's already a #1 college. And I can tell you, the way Havels has been brought out here and the way it is letting it out and the show all goes to them. The way they have done it, I can tell you, it's one of the best. I have attended so far many of the colleges, many of these fests, but I can tell you SRCC is SRCC and it stands out. Kudos to you. Cheers. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
Good evening. Excited? Great. I'm sure they are excited about it. The only thing I wanted to say about here is the kind of the effort they have put in, the entire team, the entire management system, the entire student union. It's incredible. Great show.
So as my judges have, you must have decided that who is the winner. So would you like to announce now? Yeah.
So I'll do one thing, I'll just go one by one to each of these people and, you have to vote it out. It's your show. You guys have to give them out. It's your thing and you should let it out to these guys. Please, I'll go one by one. I'll go one.
आज देखो तुम लोग ना बड़े थोड़े से मीन हो रहे हो। मेरी टीम अगर थोड़ी सीधी सादी है तो तुम लोग उनको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो। डीओ के स्टूडेंट्स, एसआरसीसी में जितना भी ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है ये आपको डिसाइड करना है। जितनी मॉडल्स यहाँ पे हैं मैं एक एक करके मॉडल के पास जाऊंगी अलॉन्ग विद माय सर। ऑलराइट, ओके, सो विशाल सर इज हियर। आपको बस एक बार होटिंग करनी है जिसपे मुझे लगता है सबसे ज्यादा होटिंग आ गई। आई गेस दैट मॉडल गोना बी द विनर फॉर द शो। सो मैं बस बहुत ही क्विकली जल्दी जा रही हूँ बिकॉज वी हैव अदर थिंग्स टू डील विद। आई एम जस्ट रनिंग विद द मॉडल्स एंड यू हैव टू डू द होटिंग एंड शूटिंग व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक। आई एम रियली सॉरी विशाल सर। या ओके, सो मैं फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। प्लीज होटिंग शूटिंग निकालो जल्दी से, जोरदार होटिंग शूटिंग करनी है। मैं मॉडल के पास आ गई। ओके, पसंद ही नहीं आया, चलो मैं नेक्स्ट के पास जाती हूँ। अब तो होटिंग शूटिंग आनी चाहिए। नो, कम ऑन एसआरसीसी, डीओ, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? नो, ऑलराइट, थर्ड वन। आहा, आई गॉट होटिंग ओवर गॉड। कूल, फेयर एनफ, विद द फोर्थ बॉय। Come on, we have to do it quickly. No voting. All right. With our next model. क्या बात है, लड़कियों की बहुत पॉपुलैरिटी है। With our next model. क्या बात है, बहुत ज्यादा voting आई। With our next model. थोड़ी कम आई। With our next model. Come on, boys, girls, voting कर दो। Okay. With our next model. Fair. With our next model. Come on, guys. All right. Okay. Holding, shooting. Undoubtedly, we are clear with the winner, ma'am. If I am not wrong. हमें Mr. Groom and Miss Groom.
So, I can see that biasness out here. For the girls, there is more hooting, which I can see here. Guys, let's please be fair. We have to give 2 awards here. One to a girl and one to a boy. Accordingly, please bear with us. And I think we should give it to, first of all, a lady out here. Can I have you here, please? I can see that, So the hooting, of course, was for her. What's your...
Charming.
So, you know, she has got a golden color product in her hand, which is a hair straightener, and she's wearing a beautiful attire, which is again golden. You know, so it completely stands out, and you guys have selected the right person. So the award goes to her. Can we have the award, please? Can we have the product, please?
भाई इनका खत्म होने दे